How to use MyCase legal scheduling software properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Most law offices assume that using MyCase for scheduling is just about setting appointments, but the surprising truth is that beginners often make mistakes that cause missed meetings, double bookings, or client frustration. The first mistake is not syncing calendars. MyCase allows integration with Google Calendar, Outlook, and iCal, but beginners who skip syncing risk conflicts or overlooked appointments. Always connect your calendar to ensure updates appear in real time. Another common error is failing to set reminders. MyCase can send automated reminders to clients and staff, but beginners who don't enable notifications may experience last-minute cancellations or no-shows. Many users also neglect to customize appointment types. MyCase allows multiple categories such as consultations, court appearances, or follow-ups. Beginners who leave default settings may confuse staff and clients or misallocate time. Ignoring time zone differences is another pitfall, especially for remote clients. Scheduling without considering time zones can lead to missed meetings or unhappy clients. Always confirm client time zones and adjust appointments accordingly. Finally, some law offices skip training or assigning clear responsibilities. MyCase scheduling tools are effective only when the team knows how to use them. Beginners who fail to assign ownership may see overlapping tasks or untracked meetings. To use MyCase scheduling properly, sync all calendars, enable reminders, customize appointment types, account for time zones, and train staff on responsibilities. Avoid these mistakes and your office will enjoy smoother scheduling, fewer conflicts, and more satisfied clients.